Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and me and my husband love going on adventures and seeing the beautiful world around us.
And this SALIRION 2-bike rack has really made that possible for us. I love all the pieces that it came with it and how easy it was to put together. It's got the spots where the wheels go. You attach the main shaft, and then on top of that, you have two hooks. You have the long and the short hook that you can adjust for each size of the bike. It has an adapter so that it can fit in a 2-inch hitch, or you can take that adapter off and fit it into a 1 1/4 hitch receiver. Then you just put the bolt in. Once the bike is on, you can adjust all of the moving parts to make sure everything fits just right, and you're good to go. It was really easy putting 2 bikes on here, and on the road, it just traveled so nicely. And then once you arrive to your beautiful adventure, you can just take the straps off, move the hooks up, and take your bikes off. When you're done, you arrive and put them right back where they were, and you can hit the road and head back home or go on another adventure. It really is so nice and convenient. It's easy then. If you're not going to be using it, you can fold it up and it stores nicely in your garage.
It's strong, it's versatile, it's exactly what you need. And that's my point of view.